Mastering Asynchronous JavaScript Promises, Async Await Explained. Welcome to our animated guide on mastering asynchronous JavaScript. Today, we're diving deep into promises, async/await, and everything you need to know to write efficient and responsive code. Hey Alice, I've been hearing a lot about promises and async/await lately. Can you explain how they work?
Sure, Bob. Let's start with promises. They're objects that represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. Think of them as placeholders for future values. Here's an example.
So promises are used to handle asynchronous operations like fetching data from a server or reading a file?
Exactly. And now, let's talk about async/await, which is a syntactic sugar built on top of promises, making asynchronous code look more synchronous. Here's how you can rewrite the previous example using async/await.
So, with async/await, we can write asynchronous code that looks and behaves like synchronous code?
Exactly, Bob. It makes asynchronous code easier to read and reason about, especially when dealing with multiple asynchronous operations.
And there you have it. Promises and async/await are powerful tools for handling asynchronous JavaScript. With a solid understanding of these concepts, you'll be able to write more efficient and maintainable code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animated guides on programming concepts.